Critical path method. In this video, we will learn how to find missing figures as how to find optimal project duration if we don't have duration figures of some activities and if some information is missing. So friends, welcome to my channel Study Ki Leher. My name is Seema Gupta. Now I will describe you this problem with the help of this video. So in this table we have given these activities. This is total float column, this is earliest start time column, and this is duration column. As you can see, we have only two duration for two activities. So we have to find all durations so that we will calculate our network and we will find our critical path. So now we will make our diagram. So we will start with this activity. This is our first activity 1 to 2 and then 1 to 3. So we will make here our first node. So this is our first activity 1 to 2. This is 1 to 3. Now we will make 1 to 4. So this is the activity 1 to 4. After then 2 to 4. So we can draw the line like this. Then 2 to 5. So we can draw the line like this. 2 to 5. After then 3 to 6. 3 to 6. Then 4 to 6. 4 to 6. Then 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Then 6 to 7. So here 6 to 7. After then 6 to 8. So we can draw like this 6 to 8. Then 7 to 8. Then 8 to 9. So we can draw like this 8 to 9. So friends, this is our diagram. So we will write here duration for the given activities. Here you can see in this chart we have duration for this activity 2 to 5. Duration is 5. And then last activity 8 to 9. Duration is 6. So we will write these durations. So here for 2 to 5 duration is 5 and for 8 to 9 duration is 6. Now we will calculate our other values. For the other values we will make a chart. So we will make this chart calculation of missing figures as this is the column for activities and this is the column for durations. This is earliest start time for all activities. This is the column of earliest finish time as earliest finish time is equal to EST plus duration. The next column is latest start time. Latest start time is equal to latest finish time minus duration. And this column is latest finish time. And the last column is total float. Total float is equal to LST minus EST. Means latest start time minus earliest start time. So we will find all these values. As you know, for this activity 2 to 5 we have duration 5. And for this activity, last activity 8 to 9, duration is 6. We will write here given figures. So first of all we will write in the column of total float. As you can see we have this column total float. So we will write these values in this column as 0, 2, 5, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. Next figure is missing. As you can see there is no figure. Then 2, 0 and the last figure is also missing. But this column has been completed. So now we will write these figures. EST earliest start time. As you can see EST is equal to 0. Next figures are missing. Then for this 4 next figure is missing. Then 12 and the next figure is missing. Then 23 then missing, then 23 and in the end 30. So we have these figures. Now we will calculate balance figures so that we can make our critical path. As you know student, E and L value for the first node are always 0. So we have E is equal to 0 for first node and L also 0 for the first node and first activity. After then we will write these E values for all given activities. As you can see, for 2 to 4 this activity E value is 4. So we will write here 4. Then 3 to 6 E value is 12. Here 12. For 4 to 6 here also E value is 12. Then 6 to 7. 6 to 7 E value is 23. 4 7 to 8. 4 7 to 8 E value is 23. So you can notice here student, E value for 6 node is 23 and for this node also 23. It means duration of this activity is 0. So we can say this is our dummy activity because dummy activity has always no duration. So we can say 6 to 7 this is our dummy activity. After then 8 to 9 4 8 E value is 30. So you can calculate duration for this activity. As you can say, E is equal to 23 for this node. Then E value is equal to 30 means 23 plus 7 is equal to 30. So we can say duration of this activity is 7. So we can write here duration of this activity 7. So we can write here EFT value as 23 plus 7 is equal to 30. After then you can find E value for this node as 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. So we have E value for last node. In my first video I have told about how to calculate E values and how to calculate L values. So you know very well E and L value are same for last node. So we can say here L value is 36. So we can write here in the last activity L value is 36. So we can find this column as 36 minus duration as 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. So we can find this column as 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. So also we can find this column as LST minus EST. So LST is 30 and EST is 30. So 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. So we can find L value for this node as 36 minus 6 is equal to 30. After then we can find L value for this node as 30 minus 7 is equal to 23. Now we will write these values in our chart. For 6 to 7 LFT value is 23. So we will write here LST value. LST is equal to LFT minus duration. So 6 to 7 activity is dummy activity. So its duration is 0. So 23 minus 0 is equal to 23. For this column, we will add 0 to this 23. So 23 plus 0 is equal to 23. Now we will calculate these figures as 0. LST minus EST is equal to 0. So here LST will be 23 because 23 minus 23 is equal to 0. Now we can write this column as 7 to 8. You can see L value is 30. So we can write here 30. So you can see student 30 minus 7 is equal to 23. So now we will calculate figures for this column. As you can see 6 to 8 L value is 30. So here we can write 30. Now 6 to 8 you can see E value is 23. So you can write here 23. Now we have total float is equal to 2. So LST minus EST is equal to 2. So we can say if we have EST is equal to 23, then LST will be 25 because 25 minus 23 is equal to 2. So 30 minus 25 is equal to duration. So 30 minus 25 is equal to 5. So 5 is our duration for this activity. 6 to this. 6 to 8. So now we will calculate this column. 23 plus 5 is equal to 28. So we will write here L value. Our L value will be minimum of these two activities, 6 to 8 and 6 to 7. As you can say, 23 minus 0 is equal to 23. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. So we will write here 23. Now we will calculate this column as LST minus EST. So 23 minus 23 is equal to 0. So our this column has been completed. Now we will calculate our other values. So now we will find E value for this node. As we can see, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So we will write here 9. So we can say for this activity 5 to 7, EST value is 9. So we can write now LST value because LST minus EST is equal to total float and we have total float is equal to 1. So we can say LST is equal to 10. Then we can notice in this chart as EST for 2 to 4 activity is 4. So EST will be for this activity 2 to 5 will be 4. And we can calculate here LST because TF is equal to 1. So we have LST is equal to 5 because 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 as per formula of total float. Because LST minus EST is equal to total float. This is 1. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now we can calculate here EFT as EFT is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So we can calculate here LFT as LFT is equal to LST plus duration. So here we can write 10. So now we will write these figures in this diagram. For 2 to 5 activity, we can write here L is equal to 10. Duration is also written and E values are also written. So now we will calculate duration of this activity. As we can say 23 minus 0 is equal to 23. 23 minus 13 is equal to 10. So we can write here 13 because here only one activity. So we can write here duration. So 13 is its duration. Now we can calculate further points. So we will write here duration 13. Now we will write here L value as for 5 to 7. L value is 23. So we can calculate here 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. We will calculate values in this chart as EST is equal to 12, EST is equal to 12 for these two activities. So we will write here LST because LST is equal to EST plus TF. So here we can write also 12. Now we will calculate these values as EST for 1 to 2 activities 0. So here also 0. Now we can calculate here LST. LST is equal to 0 because TF means total float is equal to 0. So here we can write 2 because 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Here we can write 5 because 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Here we can write 4 because 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have calculated all E values and all LST values in this chart. As you can see in this diagram for 3 to 6, L value is 23. So we can write here 23. For 4 to 6, for 4 to 6, L value is 23. So we can write here 23. Now we can calculate our duration as 23 minus 14 is equal to 9. 23 minus 12 is equal to 11. So this is our duration. Now we can calculate these values. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 12 plus 11 is equal to 23. So we can write these durations in our chart as for 3 to 6 duration is 9, for 4 to 6 duration is 11. Now we can calculate L value for this node as for this activity 23 minus 9 is equal to 14. So we can write here 14. 14 is the L value for this node. For this activity 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. So we can write here 12. So 12 is the L value for this node. So now we can write here these values as for 1 to 3. L value is 14. 4. 1 to 4. L value is 12. 4, 2 to 4. L value is 12. Now you can calculate duration for these columns as we can say 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So this is our duration. Now we can calculate these columns. 0 plus 12 is equal to 12. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So now we will write these values in this diagram as for 1 to 3 duration is 12. For 1 to 4 duration is 7. So for 2 to 4 duration is 8. So now we will write these figures in this column as for 1 to 3 LFT is 14. So now we will calculate L value for this node as 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. So we will select here 4 because 4 is the minimum. So now we will calculate duration for this activity as 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So we will write here 4 because 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So we don't have written here 5. And here 14 minus 12 is equal to 2, but here is 0. So we can say we have deducted this duration. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So duration for this first activity is 4. So we can write here 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Here also we can write 4. So you can see here we have calculated all values in our all column. So now we will move to our next step. So now we will find various paths in this diagram. So we will start with this node. So our first activity is 1 to 2. So we can write here 1 to 2. This is our first path. Then we can select 2 to 4, this activity, 2 to 4. Then we can select 4 to 6, 4 to 6. Then we can select 6 to 7 or then 7 to 8. So we will write here 6 to 7, 7 to 8, then 8 to 9, then 8 to 9. Now we will calculate its duration. For 1 to 2 duration is 4 plus 2 to 4 duration is 8 plus 4 to 6 duration is 11 plus 6 to 7 duration is 0 plus 7 to 8 duration is 7 plus 8 to 9 duration is 6 and its total is 36 days. So now we will find our next path. So we will start with this node. So we can say first activity is 1 to 2. After then 2 to 5. After then 5 to 7. Then 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. And duration is 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 7 plus 6. So we can say duration is 35 days. So we will now find its third path. So we will start with this node. So we can select this activity 1 to 3. After then 3 to 6. 3 to 6. After then 6 to 7. 6 to 7. 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. So 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. And its duration is 1 to 3. 12 plus 9 plus 0 plus 7 plus 6. So we can say total duration is 34 days. Now we will find its fourth path. So we'll start with this first point 1 to 2. So 1 to 2, then 2 to 4. So we will write here 1 to 2, then 2 to 4, then 4 to 6, 4 to 6, then 6 to 8 and 8 to 9, then 6 to 8 and 8 to 9. And duration is 4 plus 8 plus 11 plus 5 plus 6. So we can say total duration is 34 days. So now we will find its fifth path. So we will select this first activity. So we will write here 1 to 3, 1 to 3, then 3 to 6, then 3 to 6, after then 6 to 8, after then 6 to 8 and 8 to 9 and 8 to 9. And duration is 12 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6. So we can say total duration is 32 days. So after then we will find its sixth path. So we will start with this activity 1 to 4, 1 to 4, then 4 to 6 and 6 to 7, then 4 to 6 and 6 to 7, then 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. So its duration is 7 plus 11 plus 0 plus 7 plus 6. So we can say 7 plus 11 is equal to 18 plus 7 is equal to 25 plus 6 is equal to 31 days. Now we will find its seventh path. So we will start with this activity 1 to 4. 1 to 4, then 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. 4 to 6 and 6 to 8, then 8 to 9. So we will write here its duration 1 to 4 7 plus 4 to 6 11 plus 6 to 8 5 and plus 6. So we can say 18 plus 5 is equal to 23 plus 6 is equal to 29 days. So you can see our critical path is with duration 36 days, because 36 is the maximum. But optimal duration of a project is the minimum time in which it can be completed. So our sum completes here. So friends, if you really like this video, then please like and share it and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all my coming videos. Thank you for watching this video.